As a future educator, having a teaching philosophy can help guide my teaching in the way I think works best. It provides me with my beliefs and criteria I can apply in my years of teaching, including what to imply to the students, what I need to personally do better in the classroom, and important aspects to include while teaching. It is always important to keep in mind that each student is unique. This is important because it reminds you that not each student learns the same, understands the same, and some may need more help than others. So when teaching, keeping in mind that because one way works for one student, it might not for another. Creativity is one thing I strongly believe in that students should practice every day. The best way for students to learn is to explore the subject or the topic and having their minds spark new ideas. One way to allow and ensure students reach the highest potential is to challenge each student. School is a place to learn, not just to get the answers. Challenging students can increase the understanding for each of them to reach the potential I know that each of them has. Because we know each student is unique, we know that each of them have a different passion. It is important for each of them to keep their passion, find it, hold on to it, and embrace it, no matter if it's math, or science, social studies, or music, or whatever they may have in mind. Me, as an educator, there are many things I can do to increase and better students' learning experiences. Here are a few of the many that I could do. Every day, I need to walk in and start with a positive attitude. It is known that the mood that the teacher is in reflects how the students act. I'm the role model, so being and thinking positive is an important aspect for me to remember to bring to my classroom. Along with having a positive attitude, I need to create a positive learning environment. I can do this by always encouraging students, starting off the day with a high five, or even using morning meetings. My teaching style will always include hands-on learning. I believe that hands-on learning allows students to explore and fully understand what they are learning. This includes using a makerspace or activities throughout the lessons. Incorporating technology in my classroom is very important to me because of all the ways it can help increase and enhance students' learning. Because technology will be used in my classroom and is growing in the 21st century, it is important to teach the students how to be responsible with it. By showing them how to take care of their equipment, finding and being safe on the websites, properly citing others' work, and staying away from cyberbullying. I believe that technology in the classroom can enhance students' learning in numerous ways. It can promote collaboration, critical thinking, responsibility, creativity, project-based learning, and adapt to different learning styles, while even boosting students' motivation, and these are just a few of the many that there are. In the end, my teaching styles and beliefs will allow me to watch my students grow and see all their hard work pay off.